This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Janitor in Roblox. First, you'll need to get the Janitor script, usually from a trusted source like the Roblox library or a developer forum. Once you have it, insert it into your game as a server script. This powerful tool helps you maintain a clean and organized workspace, making game development much smoother. Let's dive into the essential steps to get you started. Now, let's explore some essential Janitor commands. The clean command is your go-to for removing specific items you've selected, ensuring your game stays tidy. For a broader cleanup, use clear to quickly delete all temporary objects that might be cluttering your workspace. You can also specify object types, like parts or models, to target your cleanup efforts precisely. These commands are key to efficient game management. Moving on to advanced Janitor techniques, you can automate cleanup tasks by integrating commands into your own custom scripts. This allows for scheduled or event-triggered cleanups, streamlining your workflow. Janitor is also excellent for optimizing game performance by removing unnecessary assets or old data. Implementing regular maintenance routines with Janitor ensures your game runs smoothly and efficiently for all players. To wrap things up, here are some crucial tips and best practices for using Janitor. Always back up your game before performing any major cleanup operations to prevent accidental data loss. It's also wise to test Janitor commands in a separate development environment first, ensuring everything works as expected. Remember, a clean game is a happy game. For more great resources and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.